Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Zendesk AI chatbot. This is an excellent way to automate customer support, provide instant responses, and free up your team to handle more complex inquiries. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zendesk.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has administrative access, as you'll need those permissions to set up AI agents. After logging in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings icon. Click on it and it will automatically direct you to the admin center. The admin center is where all your configuration and management tools live. So this is where we'll be working for the rest of the setup. Now that you're in the admin center, focus on the left sidebar again. You'll see several options listed there. Click on AI, and from the options that appear, select AI agents. This section is specifically designed for managing your automated support agents, and it's where you'll create and configure your chatbot. In the top right corner of the AI agents page, you'll notice a button that says Create AI Agent. Click on that to begin the setup process. This will open up a configuration wizard that will guide you through the steps needed to get your chatbot up and running. The first thing you'll need to do is input a name for your AI agent. Choose something that reflects its purpose or your brand identity. Next, you'll need to set the tone of voice for your chatbot. You'll see three options here: professional, informal, or enthusiastic. Select the tone that best matches how you want your chatbot to communicate with customers. For most business environments, professional works well, but if your brand has a more casual personality, informal or enthusiastic might be better choices. Once you've made your selections, click Next to continue. On the following screen, you'll be asked to select a brand for your AI agent. If you manage multiple brands within Zendesk, this ensures the chatbot is associated with the correct one. Choose the appropriate brand from the list and click Next. Now comes an important step: testing your AI agent. Before you publish anything, it's crucial to make sure it's working as expected. You'll see a testing interface where you can type anything you'd like to test how your AI agent responds. Go ahead and ask a few typical customer questions or scenarios to see how it handles them. This gives you a chance to catch any issues before your customers interact with it. Once you're satisfied with how the AI agent is performing during your tests, click Go to Publish. This will take you to the final configuration step where you'll decide where this chatbot will be active. Now you need to select where you want to assign your AI agent. This could be specific channels, help center articles, or messaging platforms, depending on your Zendesk setup and customer touchpoints. Make your selections carefully based on where you want automated support to be available. After you've chosen the appropriate locations, click Publish AI Agent. Your chatbot is now live and ready to assist your customers automatically. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Zendesk AI chatbot that can handle customer inquiries around the clock. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.